Alright, let's look at the homework 3.3, problem number 5. Alright, let's use GeoGebra to solve this problem. Alright, so it said that when would an ordinary annuity consisting of quarterly payment of $532.80 at 3% compounded quarterly be worth more than a principal of $5,300 invested at the 4% simple interest. All right. So if you look at the annuity here, all right, then we're looking at the future value. So future value of annuity is equal to, right? So remember the formula. Formula is payment, right, times quantity 1 plus I raise it to the n minus 1 over I. All right, so let's fill in those numbers. Payment, right? Payment shows up right here. So $532.80. So it's 532.8, right? And then you have 1 plus I, right? I is going to be here. So this is a 3% compounded quarterly, right? So which means that it's a 3%, so it's going to be 0.03, and but it's compounded quarterly, so you divide by 4, right? Then since we don't know how many years, so I'm going to leave years as t. So the number of payments would be, so it's a quarterly, so 4 times a year, and you do that for t years. So the total number of payments would be 4 t payments, right? Then you have minus 1, and I is again 0.03 over 4. All right. So this is the formula for future value, right? If you look at the simple interest, so simple interest, right? Then the amount after t years would be, remember the formula, it's a P, principal, times 1 plus RT. All right, then principal is 5,300, right, which shows up right here. All right, then you have a 1 plus, right, R is shows up right here. It's a 4%, so it's going to be simply 0.04. Then we don't know t yet, so it's t. All right. So this is a simple interest. So we want to find the t. So we're looking for t. So what would be t? So that annuity is going to be have the same value as the simple interest, right? So if you set these guys equal to each other and try to solve for t, it's actually a pretty difficult equation to solve. So we're going to use the GeoGebra to find the t value. Right. So first thing I'm gonna do is this. Right. I'm gonna type in. I'm gonna call it future value of x. It's a future value function. So GeoGebra uses x as a variable instead of t. So I'm gonna use x there. So we're gonna have instead of t. So you're gonna have to put the 532.8, right? Times, right, you have quantity 1 plus 0.03 over 4, right, and then raise it to the 4x, and then minus 1. So that's the numerator, and divided by 0.03 divided by 4. Right? So type that in. So we got that, and it's kind of hard to see the picture, and maybe I'll do it like this. Right? So here's the picture. Right? It's kind of hard to see. Maybe I should kind of rescale it a little bit. Right? So you can see the graph a little bit better there. Right? Then the next one is we're gonna have to have the simple interest. So I'm gonna call it the A of X, right, instead of T. And this is 5,300, right, and times 1 plus 0.04 times T, right? Then it hit enter. Oh, actually, sorry, I need to cancel, and because I use T there, so this is actually X, right? Sorry about that. Right, so we have let's see, so this is the simple interest one, and we cannot see it, so I'm gonna have to bring it down here. It's right there. Right, so the red curve or orange one is the simple interest. Right, so this is the after after T years, you're gonna have this much amount. And the green one is the future value of annuity, right? So you can see the annuity has a less amount in the account, but as you go by, time goes by, you keep on making payments, so it's going to get caught up with the simple interest. So we want to know when that happens, right? So we're going to have, I'm going to find the intersection there, right? And hopefully it'll find it. Alright, looks like it found the intersection. So X value, which is the T value, is about 2.65. Right? So let's type that guy in. So let's see. Gonna go here. Right? So around to 1 decimal places. Right? So it was 2.65. So it's going to be 2.7. Right? So let's check the answer. Alright, got that. Alright, that's it. Let's see, maybe I should show you the GeoGebra part. Alright, so all you have to do is set up the function for future value of annuity, and also the amount for simple interest, and draw those two curves and try to find the intersection. And the X value you find is going to be the value you're looking for, because that's actually the T value that you're looking for. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.